If your TikTok videos are not getting views, followers, and engagement, it might not be your content, it might actually be your settings. In this video, I'm going to be showing you several important TikTok settings you need to turn on now to improve reach and growth. So, hi guys, I'm Chi. I post TikTok tips that actually work for beginners. Let's go straight into the settings, no stories. So settings 1, we're going to go to the 3 line at your profile, click on settings and privacy. So you're going to see, we're going to be working on everything. So I want to make sure that you pay attention to this video so that we can know what to do. So you're going to click on account. Once you click on account, you're going to see the option of switch to business account. So if you're somebody that you want your account to be a business account, you can switch to business account. So you can use email and link to bio. So that link you see, wherever you see that link there, I'm going to show you guys on another video, but then we'll place attach your link that is linked to profile. So if you don't want a business account, you can go for a creator account depending on what you want to work with. So we're going to go back and switch to personal profile because my account is a personal profile, is not a business account. So I'm going to go over and switch back to personal account. So I built my account based on personal, you understand. It's not a business account. I'm not promoting anything. I'm just teaching tutorials and all of that. So after that, settings 2, we're going to go over to our settings and privacy again. We're going to start working on analytics. So you want to make sure that you're posting using your analytics so that your videos can also get viral. Yes, so if you're not somebody that wants to actually go viral, you want to know the right time to post when your audience are online, you have to make use of your analytics. This is the settings too. So we're going to go over to content viewers and overview. This overview, the key metrics when the videos that has the highest views, highest, like everything about your account is in this analytics. So we're going to go over to our viewers, most active times when your viewers are online. They're telling me my viewers are online by 12 a.m. and they're going to tell me the days they're mostly online, so I can post at that particular time and I will get views. If you're not using me, you're not making use of your analytics, you're very wrong because you're going to be always posting at the wrong time. You're going to be stuck with having 200 views and all of that. So after doing all of these things now, if you follow up this analytics, you're going to know the right time for you to post actually get views. You guys make sure that you try these things that I'm giving you because you're going to come back and tell me thank you. So after working with the analytics, you're just going to go over and make sure that you follow up everything. We're going to go to the settings 3. We're going to go to our settings and privacy again. You're going to click on privacy. You're going to take it and also option of suggest your account orders. So you want to make sure you're suggesting your account orders, your family, your friends, so that once you post a video, once they engage, TikTok will keep pushing the videos to the FYP so that more people can engage. So it's trying to tell the FYP that this is a good video, people are loving this video, so they want to push it more to other people as well. So we're going to go for our settings and privacy for the settings 4. We're going to make sure that we're syncing our contacts to our Facebook friends and all of that. So you want to make sure that you're adding you're linking your TikTok to your Facebook. Yes, sync your Facebook friends so that, like I said before, once more people are watching your videos, engaging, liking your video, they're going to push it more into the FYP. So you want to make sure that you're putting on your video download. This is the settings 5 that you need to turn on. You're putting on your videos download. That is to tell TikTok that people are loving your video, so they're downloading it, so they're going to push it to the FYP. So I'm going to also work on the reuse of content as well. You have to put on this feature as well, put it on as well. Then you want to make sure that your reuse of content is on as well. So you want to make sure certain things that you need to put on the comment filtering option so that those comments that are not wanted, those comments that are offensive, TikTok can filter them themselves. So you don't have to like get your account banned or all of that, you understand. So make sure that you turn on these features. These are the features that are going to help you to actually get views, engagement, and growth. So you want to make sure that you turn on these features. So for the settings 7, I think this is the last one. I don't know if I've counted up to 7. These are the review filtered comments. So these are the comments that people have actually dropped that are not like they are very offensive to TikTok. So TikTok just off them. So you want to make sure that you put up these comments so the TikTok will just filter those comments. Okay guys, sorry, I don't know if I'm being too fast. I'm just trying to follow up with this screen record. After that, we're going to also go to our settings and privacy. You can put on to share your profile to your WhatsApp and all of that. You want to make sure that you're putting in on your account, your activity status on your account as well. Allow reuse of content from everybody, so that the more people download your video, you're signaling the TikTok algorithm that they love your video already. So you want to make sure that you're putting on all of these features. This is the only ways that you can actually get more views and more followers. Okay, so you want to make sure that your videos are pushed to the FYP. These are the only ways that you can get your videos pushed to the FYP. So you want to click on manage post visibility. You're going to make sure that it's on. that is every time you post a video is showing up on everyone. Do not suggest, like, make sure that your videos are always on everyone. That is the only way that they can push your videos to the FYP. The Twitter algorithm will push your videos to FYP. So do not private your videos, do not do all of those things. Make sure that it is on everyone. So another way, again, this is everything that you need to do. Your activity status, make sure that they are on. So these are the 7 settings. Make sure that you put these settings and come back to tell me thank you, because these are the only tips that you can get followers. So you guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.